Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video here, show you what my work process is to try and create some homegrown videos. Of course, I've talked about Kling and HeyGen and the other ones. Those are all paid and they're not cheap, of course. So I went down and I downloaded a workflow from one of the other YouTubers named Aitrepreneur. I'm a Patreon fan of his. And he allows you to download a workflow. I'm going to show it to you here shortly. And wanted to see what how it works. So let me just give it a second here. So here's this workflow. Sorry, I had to get off the camera there for a second. But this is a beast. It has all these items here, and this is like his version 2, and he calls it now version 3. And he had this version 3 edition. So these are a lot of the things that he actually added to it. So without, I'll let him kind of go through all the things that are available. But I want to actually show you a workflow that I've tried to see what it results on. The results are so. I'm sure maybe 50% of it is my lack of knowledge of how to do it properly, and the other one is probably the homegrown models are probably not as good yet for video generation. But it's getting close, and I think you can. It's good to start working with this so you can get your hands and dirty and understand kind of what this is. So this is actually kind of divided into two. He's got FP8 and GGUF. Those are two different ways of utilizing the GPU. And if you don't have a lot of VRAM, you're probably going to be on this side on this GGUF. I'm using a 4090 right now with 24 gigs RAM, VRAM, excuse me, and so that should handle it. But sometimes it still chokes, actually, surprisingly. So now, of course, now I'm thinking about buying another one to get 48. Let's see if that's going to happen. But so this is a workflow I did. I'm going to show it to you real quick, and you can always just cancel a video after that point, or then I'll probably go through one so to make this video a little longer to show kind of what how it's actually done in real time. So I started off with just a simple prompt, and that prompt was just on GPT, and I kind of created one here. I'll just see it here. It's please write a prompt for me that describes a fit and handsome bald soldier running in a battle surrounded by explosions and him looking heroic and strong. Make sure it's descriptive and cinematic and realistic. Okay, that's my best attempt at a quick prompt. And of course, the GPT has come over and created one for us. Okay, and I tried to do this here. I said create a video version of it, but I didn't do it, and maybe that's just GPT died or my connection. I'm not sure. But anyway, so okay, so with this, I copy and paste, and I put that into not in a face swap, into actually just basic image generation. This is is that no? It's not here. Sorry. Where is image generation? Here it is. GGUF. Oh, I put it in here and it didn't work. So I tried it here, and it worked just fine. So the way to work this is turn on and off, and hit your Q, and it will generate it. When to save some time, I'll show you here what I got. This is the image I got first. Here. Okay, close enough. I got actually a bunch of them. I'll show them to you here shortly. And it's just the one I chose. It's just the latest one. I made some changes. You can see the workflows. I edited a few of them, so I was messing around with it. Your prompt is going to make a big difference. What you do and how you get it, more descriptive. Once you're happy with that, then you can kind of create it. Okay. So that generated, like I said, this. And now I would do a face swap, right? So you turn this off, and you do where is the face swap? Of course, it's part of it. Swap right there. Face swap for one person. Okay, so I put my picture in there. Turn it on first. But this guy, I put my picture in there. Not sure if it's the best rendition, but it's my headshot. And then I queued it, of course, and it created. Let's see here. Where am I? Of course, I had it ready, and I don't have it. 1 second here. Actually, let me see if I actually just can pull it up here and make it easier. Video. Where is the one that? Okay, here we go. So this is me. It's not, of course, exactly me. It's close. I'm not sure exactly how to change that. Maybe some of the settings to be more stronger adherence to it. This is a few attempts I made. and change some of the settings. I'm not a pro at these settings, so maybe somebody can tell me how to make it more adhere to it. So now I have a picture of myself in this, or whomever you want, of course, into the image. So now I have this image, and you turn this off. And right now, the only one that's working, and he said this is coming up, getting it better, is the LTX. Which one is it? Right here. The GGUF LTX image to video. We have text to video. This Hunyuan, which is a better encoder. But it's video to video or text to video, but not image to video. And supposedly they said that it's coming, but I guess that model doesn't exist yet. So you turn this on, you put in the image that you created, and I use the same prompt. This is where the prompt, maybe where you go to GPT and tell it like what you want it to do, because it kind of like some of the words didn't they translated directly. So he says, the model pounces and he shows up and he arrives at a station, and the word pounce made him jump. Okay, so unfortunately, some of those didn't actually show up. I don't know if I can show them to you here. It doesn't play like you would think. They would just like this little click button that wouldn't play. It doesn't do that. It's only in the preview. So I'll show you what that looks like right here. This one right here. This is the one that the video that I generated. Now, part of it is a prompt, okay? So don't get stuck on it. But it's a short video. I only had it for like I think 5 seconds. Let's start it over. Okay, come on. 4 seconds. So yeah, it's obviously some of the settings can obviously be improved. LTX is known not to be the greatest. It generates it, but it's not the greatest. Part of it is the prompt. Part is the settings. Okay. And then so after I did that, I went to turn this off and do the video in what is it called? The upscaler. And that one, it upscaled it a little bit, I guess. I also wanted to test, like, say, if you wanted to make it, resize it for vertical, you put it on the phone or whatever. And so I got this. Let me show you what this looks like. It's not great. It is better, closer to 4K, but what it does is it doesn't actually fix the image. It just gives you more detail than what you already have. So if the original image is bad, it'll just make it equally as bad, but a better resolution. So that's kind of what I learned there. So anyways, let me know if you guys want to make sure, show me or me to show you a video of actually doing it and actually watching it happen. I don't think there's any benefit for that, but I would say the whole process, if I knew what I was doing and had it all set up and had maybe some of the tweaks, it would probably take me about, I would say, maybe 10 minutes to do this, because I'd probably do like 2 or 3 images each. When you queue it, you can do that here. You can set in the number to be a little bigger. And then you can get to choose which one you want for the images. That actually might work a little better. And about 10 minutes. So for this quality and with some refining, it kind of could be, maybe a little better. I'm not really sure exactly how good I can get it. You guys have seen my, what is it called? My Kling AI video, and it's already better, but at a considerably higher expense. So I'll still keep working on it. Come back, stay tuned, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll keep trying to make it better. Working on some voice stuff and obviously a better video. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon. Or I'll make a video for you soon. How about that?